When viewing a premium website, people see high-resolution images and sleek typography, but strip away that aesthetic layer, and machines see something entirely different. Modern search algorithms like Google's Gemini and AI overviews struggle to parse traditional websites because the relevant data is often buried under layers of design-heavy, human-centric bloat. When a business's data is unstructured, it becomes difficult for these algorithms to verify. This leads to a loss of prominence in the local map packs where the majority of search traffic now occurs. This search crisis has led to the development of the Webo GetFound, or ghost site. A ghost site is an independent microsite built for machines rather than humans. It is an AI-indexed node designed to feed pure, structured intent signals directly to the algorithms. This diagram shows the structural difference. A ghost site strips away the visual distractions to deliver pure answer engine optimization and semantic schema markup directly to the crawlers. To maintain relevance in the AI era, businesses are shifting their focus. The goal is no longer just to be seen by human eyes, but to be cited by the algorithms that guide them. A ghost site is non-disruptive. It lives on its own unique URL, operating alongside your existing corporate website without requiring changes to your main domain. It functions as a dedicated beacon, providing a continuous feed of machine-readable data directly into your Google Business profile. The ghost site node sends pulsating data streams into your Google Business profile, signaling that your business is verified and relevant. This loop satisfies the algorithm's requirements for expertise and trust by connecting your profile to a wider network of industry data. When an AI search engine scans this network, it instantly extracts a precise information packet to cite in an answer, bypassing the need for clicks. This strategy replaces a static online presence with a network of data points that prioritize your business across the local map ecosystem. Constructing this type of invisible architecture with specialized schema and entity resolution is usually a task for high-level developers. So how does an average business owner build it? The Webo DIY Academy was established to provide that bridge. It provides a free 14-day trial of the software specifically to build and launch this powerful new ecosystem. The course is delivered as a self-study blog. It replaces dense textbooks with a mix of audio discussions, explainer videos, and visual infographics for clear implementation. To handle the technical writing, the course uses AI-assisted prompts. These take your business details and generate the specific content and code required for the microsite. Support is handled through a combination of weekly Q&A meetings and one-on-one Teams consultations with agency experts to ensure the technical architecture is sound. The Academy provides the tools and the support needed to implement these strategies, allowing users to build a high-authority digital footprint without a coding background. By the end of the 14-day course, the ghost site ecosystem is live. At this stage, the project moves from assembly to measurement. During the final modules, you integrate UTM parameters and Google Analytics 4 into your sites. This diagram shows the transition from guesswork to data. The scattered lines of visitor traffic are converging into labeled funnels, providing mathematical evidence of how your microsites are influencing your local map pack movement. Webo also provides a done-for-you option for those who find their time is limited during the 14-day build. At any point in the process, you can transition the technical work to Webo's professional developers, who will complete the microsites and the tracking integration for you. Updating your digital presence for the AI era is now a matter of implementation. You can learn to build these assets yourself through the free course, or delegate the technical labor to Webo team.